Alright guys, welcome to another video from Classic Games United. In today's video, we're going to be doing on how to install Rev-Olt and play multiplayer in 2024, and we're also going to do a video on Far Cry 1 advanced version. Now, this is a new multiplayer mod for Far Cry 1, so this intro will cover Rev-Olt and Far Cry 1 today guys. So also that you all love my merchandise, Classic Games United, as you can see. If you're interested, you could buy one friend already buy the merchandise. I already thank for your support. So guys, without that being said, let's get the tutorial, and yeah. Alright guys, if you want to download the bonus content now for Rev-Olt, click on here and then go to bonus content, download bonus cars, bonus trucks. So this is bonus trucks here, right? And now let's download the bonus skins, and I'll show you everything will be going right. So let's give it a while I download. So guys, once this is finished downloading, I'll be back, right? Alright guys, it's finished downloading. Alright, it's finished downloading. So what you'll do, go to here. Alright, go to the trucks. What you will do, go to local C, go to users, the username, app data, local, and then find the volt, go to packs, right, and then we'll go to trucks. Where's the trucks here, and then this is the bonus trucks. Just copy, drag. That's all you have to do guys, right? This will take a while to copy guys, so once it's finished copy, I'll be back. Or we could wait and we'll just speed up this part. So this is how you install bonus content. Right guys, so you want to install bonus cars now, right? So go to here, go back to here, go to cars, and then Right, and bonus skins. Right, so go to skins. Bonus skins. Push back. Go to skins, and then alright guys, so that's the bonus skins. Alright, and then we'll just go back into the game and see if everything is working right. So I'll see you all back in the game. Guys, we're back in the game now. So everything is working. Guys, done. So you see these bonus skins to choose. And as you can see, all the tracks have been unlocked, I believe. So as you can see guys, bonus skin works, bonus track works. So that's it for this tutorial guys. Take care and bye.